walked out when you were coming from. I got it worked out. 808 Muhammad Ali, 65 miles from Detroit, Michigan.
Yeah, Jake, 65 miles north of Detroit. You looking real good, Muhammad Ali. We're gonna put it on you later when we can. Muhammad Ali, 808 Hawaiian Islands. Aloha. All right, Muhammad Ali, downtown Honolulu. Muhammad Ali, 808 in the Mobile, Honolulu. Aloha. All right, here we go. And I put it on YouTube. I'm back out. All right, Muhammad Ali, have a good day. Muhammad Ali, 808, reading your mail. The 669 northwest corner, 808. Wave the 4 and 1, 669 808. Aloha.
On a big island. We're waving at you from the north.
Bye, 669. We're on Honolulu. We're on Oahu. 669 northwest corner, 808 in Honolulu. 669 808. Right around Waikiki. I'm back out.
Making a fine trip. You have yourself a good weekend, my friend, and maybe we'll do it again. 669 Steve Bob, 808. Now we're back out.
Bye, 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 bye. Yeah, the test worked. The test works around the Hawaiian Islands. Hey, you got conditions. All right, you still out there, Muhammad Ali? You still got conditions. 808, back out. Yeah, maybe you're working someone else's conditions. I don't know, man, but you got conditions. Muhammad Ali, 808. No conditions at the beach. I'm back out. Right there. How about around DX land? How about a DX land? 808 Hawaiian Islands. Was that a water gate out there? Break 14, break channel 14. Looking for the long distance radio check. Long distance radio check. All right, thank you for the long distance radio check. 808 Hawaiian Islands. Aloha. How about some skip talking? We got skip talking? All right, no cheerleading, just press to talk. I'm back out. Don't sound like Skip right there. 808 Hawaiian Islands. How about around stateside? 808 looking for conditions in the mini grass. Hey, Rifleman 808 Honolulu, Rifleman 808 in the grass, Rifleman 808 Hawaiian Islands, back out. Hey, Rifleman 808 Honolulu, Rifleman 808 in the Hawaiian Islands, back out.